Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you one amazing extension that can help you to be more productive. Actually, most of the time we waste it on YouTube because sometimes we watch the videos that we really don't like, or sometimes we watch the trending topics. Okay, so how we can remove all this distraction, but make sure we have to use YouTube also, right? So how we can do this? So let me show you one extension. Okay, that is Reddit whole YouTube extension. Okay, so just search it, and as you can see, the rabbit hole for YouTube, this extension, to click on add to Chrome. Okay, and add extension, done. Now let's click on this extension bar and just click on this Reddit, done. Now let's open the youtube.com and just open, and once you open this, you will see nothing in here. It means whatever you want to search on YouTube, you can just search that particular topic, or whatever you're watching in this video, so you can watch it. So let me just close this coding bus. So as you can see, you will see all the videos only related to the coding bus. Okay, and that will remove all the distraction. As you can see, like this will just show you the all related videos to the particular channel, particular topics. Yeah, this one showing me the other videos, but this also related to the app inventor only. Okay, this one is not recommended me, or YouTube not recommended me right now the other videos, maybe the song or maybe the something else. Right now, what you can do, you can do one more thing here. You can hide homepage, you can hide sidebar, you can hide comments. So let's hide the comment, and let it be everything is as it is, suppose. Okay, so whenever you search something, or whenever you open the YouTube, so you will see all the content. Okay, like let me just open this. Okay, now as you can see, this one is open just right. Now let me just try to open one any video. Okay, and as you can see here in this video, I can't see any comment section. So that's the amazing extension you can use to be more productive. So if you have any doubt, you can ask one comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.